And so you're a carpenter by trade, so how's the truck accessory installation? So you're kind of a rookie, so like, obviously, we kind of wanted to do this with raw rookie talent, so to speak. What?
Nothing.
What?
I'm also a rookie is what I'm trying to tell you.
Yes,
You stick them on.
You stick
Did
them
we
on.
clean this already?
Yeah,
Yeah,
we cleaned it.
So we cleaned it
We didn't
with,
clean it, he cleaned it.
did we,
so.
with alcohol? So, that, you know.
So what's the best way to do this? You just kind of like level it like this and we push?
Push it in
Peel off the
there.
back and you put it on.
So basically
Yeah.
it's like applying fake nails.
Well, yeah, I guess.
You
that-
wouldn't know, just
No.
it is.
Thing, like just to
I'm
put
very
them all
scared right now.
together.
Wow, that's perfect.
Thank you. I thought so too.
Oh yeah, and it's actually kind of reflective too. So
Is that platinum black?
that's the platinum. Now, is there?
It's like in the name.
So normally you want to do this at 60-degree temperatures or more, and it's actually legit 3M tape. So that means that if you ever have to take it off, you're probably going to bend the tailgate.
Don't look at me right now. Here, my lovely assistant Katie.
Why am I holding all
Give
these?
him a hand because there's a carpet right behind you. Why am I holding on to all this? I don't know. Good question, man.
You see me just sticking in my pocket?
Brooks first truck accessory installation.
And most likely last.
Chevrolet
Oh no, you guys!
upside down.
Stop it. Nate, shut up. Woo!
All right.
I didn't swear as much as Jim, but I meant to.
If you're gonna have Chevrolet etched into the back of your truck, you might as well black platinum it up.